Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to turn off map location on your Instagram 2025. Okay, let's start. First of all, click on Instagram apps. Now click on Messenger and click on Maps. Now click on Settings. Now select no one to don't share your location. Now click one until you turn it back one. Now go back your home screen. Go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now select one apps. Scroll down, now search your Instagram apps. Now click on Instagram. Now click on permission and select your location. Now turn off it. Now go back your Instagram apps. By doing this process, you can successfully turn off map location on your Instagram. Thank you.